Today's topic on Tuesday Tidbits, we're going to talk about uninsured motorists. Probably one of the most misunderstood coverages that people have on their auto insurance. It's not uncommon for me to have somebody come in and when we're looking at their coverages, they'll say, well, don't even quote uninsured motorists because I don't want to take care of the other person that don't have insurance. After all, it's legally required that you carry insurance. Well, uninsured motorist isn't actually for the third party or the other person. Uninsured motorist is for you. So where it comes into play, it's a bodily injury coverage that comes into play if you're involved in an accident where somebody hits you and they don't have insurance and you get hurt, or if they hit you and they had insurance but they had a minimum amount and it was a serious accident. It was serious enough that you max their policy out. So you get all of their bodily injury coverage, but you still have additional claim. It allows you to come back and file on your own policy. It can even cover you if you're a passenger in a vehicle and all those liability limits, you're involved in an accident and all the liability limits get exhausted, you can come back on your own policy. So it's a very flexible coverage, and it's designed to allow you to protect yourself against being involved with that individual that does an accident where that individual that doesn't have insurance. So ordinarily you'd be able to file on their policy, but if they don't have insurance and they don't have any assets, well, there's really not a lot of places for you to go. So the uninsured motorist is going to allow you to file on your policy, and it's typically going to be a bodily injury coverage. So there's in most cases, you'll occasionally see some carriers that will have some property damage coverage, but for the most part, think of uninsured motorists as bodily injury, something that's protecting you against being hurt, time off work, medical bills, pain and suffering, and those kind of things. So it's something certainly worth considering. After that, you may still decide you don't want to carry it, but basically what you're saying in that scenario is, well, I value the other person more. I'm going to carry liability in case I hurt somebody else, but I'm not going to carry anything in case somebody hurts me and they don't have insurance. So if you have questions about that kind of stuff or about insurance in general, whether it be home auto, any of that kind of stuff, feel free to give us a call here at Westside Advisors. You can talk to me or Terry, either one, and we'll be glad to help you out and answer any questions you have. Hope you have a great week.